everybody, and today we are going to make a back patio for a house, just in case you don't want to put stairs in. We're going to try two different ways, one with a concrete slab and then the other like using like wood floor, almost like a deck would be. So once you have your house situated, like we have here on the site, you can see like if you came out of the sliding rear door or whatever rear door you have, you'd step down probably 1.5 feet or so. So what we're going to do is basically go into the site plan and just keep building up on concrete. You can do it in kind of one step or multiple steps like I'm going to do here. So we're going to go for the Habitat for Humanity site. All right, we'll look here. I believe that this is my back door on the house in that view. So we're going to come in over here and I'm going to go to structure and then we have slab. So I'm going to click on that. All right, so I have a 6-inch foundation slab here. There might be more or less, depending on how you've edited this part of the thing, but say like we didn't want 6-inch, you wanted to go with like a 12-inch slab, which is probably way overkill, but if you wanted to, you can go into structure, edit, and change it into whatever you want it to be. I'm just gonna go with straight 6 inches here. Okay, you could rename it as well, up on top with rename, just so that you don't get it confused with something else. Now, based on the back of my house, I'm just going to do a simple rectangle. And I'm going to come in right over here with this line up. And you can make these pretty much as big as you want. And I'm going to come close to the edge. So I got 15 by 8 feet there. We'll hit the check mark. Okay, it's asking me for something. I don't need the span symbol. That is fine. And let's go to view. And now, when I do this, it's probably somewhere else. So you can see it here. I never changed the associated where it is on the level. So I can click it here, and I can just do a height offset. I could initially just go 1 foot, see where it goes. So you can see now it brought it up. The issue is, one, is that it's in a weird spot here, right? It's still got ground underneath it. So I'm just gonna go into edit type, edit, and let's make this 1 foot. Okay, apply, okay. So now, there it is. And you can see that the ground is actually coming up along the side. It's underneath and in the ground. So that's pretty good. And now if I want, say, like another step down, I can click and look at the height offset as 1. I can build up from this one as well. So I can go back into the Habitat site. And I also can change to a fine detail view. Go into wireframe. Let's go, sorry. Line. I'm going to go back into wireframe here. Let's look at level 1. So now I'm in the level 1 view. Change it from Habitat Humanity site so I can see the actual slab. I can actually see my door here. You can do this at first as well. Then I'm just going to add another one in. So I'm going to go back to slab. And I'm going to come in with another rectangle. Now you can do this in pretty much any shape you want. Come in off the side of the door like this. Click it into place. Check. No, I don't need to load that family in. Now the height offset is going to be wrong on this one as well. So if we look underneath, there it is. Change that height offset to, let's go like 1.6 foot. Apply. It already did it for me. And now that's it. I can even go up even higher with this one. Say I wanted to go 2 feet. Apply. And there it is. And that's it. Now this is a big drop. That's a 12-inch drop for a step. That's a little high. So I'm going to go and move the whole thing up a little bit. Actually, let's do this. Go in. Let's go height offset. 1.9. Apply. Right, so now it's a little bit of a step down, and you can adjust this whole thing up, but that is basically how you add like a little stoop or patio in the back. That's one way. And it's just for basically just presentation purposes. They probably would not be 12 inches thick like they are here. They could be, but probably not. The other way we could do it is with a wood floor if we wanted to. And you would go along and pretty much do the same thing. Creating a floor and put it down. But I think this is pretty much the easiest thing to do. So let's just keep it at that. All right, everyone, have a great day.